Gonna be reading for sign of Capricorn. So what you guys can possibly expect for the next few days. Let's take from now until the next 1 week. Okay. So what you guys can possibly expect. Let's start. Capricorn. Can Capricorn possibly expect? So what's Capricorn possibly going through right now, Spirit? One card for that. What's Capricorn possibly going through right now? What's their energy like? With Seven of Fire, you guys might be trying really hard to get out of a mess that you are in. Okay, you are giving in your everything. You are literally fighting to come out of a mess. Okay, some of you might be behaving a little defensive towards someone. You guys are wanting to end something that's really bothering you. Okay, with Seven of Fire, I also feel majorly that if someone is making you feel bad or making you like taking advantage of you, you're not going to let that happen. You're literally going to fight for yourself this time. Okay, for some part of you, you are fighting for what you deserve. Okay, and you're not going to give up on yourself. Okay, this could also be financial related or possibly could be also career related. With transformation, it's a death card. I do feel some of you might have gone through some endings and you are not so clear about it, like or like where the or what you should do right now. Okay, with Queen of Water, you still have feelings for this person, however. Okay, but the problem could be that this person was not I would say very much up for commitment. Okay, this person did enjoy the connection. The physical intimacy was good. There was passion in the two of you, but this person wasn't really up for anything. Okay, with Four of Air, this person could have friend zoned you. Okay, or did friend zone you or took a break from you. Okay, so let's start. So what's really coming up towards Capricorn for the next few days, Spirit? What's really coming towards Capricorn for the next few days? We have a Tower card, so which tells me that there is going to be a lot of changes in your life, some unwelcome changes as well. Whatever needs to fall apart will fall apart, and I hope you understand that certain things are not meant to last. Okay, and certain things that are meant to fall will fall. Okay, and I hope you let changes happen. If you resist the things from changing, it is only going to prolong and make things more difficult for you. So whatever needs to end, let it end. Okay, so let's see what else is coming towards Capricorn for the next few days. Some of you could be related to a Scorpio, like have a connection with a Scorpio. Doesn't have to be. Okay, we have a card. We have Lovers in the reverse, which tells me that someone could have had a decision to make between you and someone else, or you have a decision to make between you and someone else, and you do not know whom to choose. Okay, you guys do have a option, or you guys do have a decision to make, and you guys do not know what to do about it. Okay, with 10 of A, you are not really wanting to end something. You are resisting. The Seven of Wands at the very start of the reading was you resisting from making changes, or you resisting from certain things that are meant to end. Okay, so let's see what's your overall energy going to be like for the next coming week. What's your overall energy going to be like for the next coming week? Some of you certainly have a choice to make. Some of you could be also connected with the Gemini. Your love life doesn't seem going good, darling. Your energy, you're trying to walk away from something which you are unable to walk away from. With Ace of A, you know that you should cut this person out or you should let go of this relationship, but you are not letting it go. It's only going to bother you more, darling, honestly speaking. With Eight of Water, your overall energy is you're trying to walk away from something that's paining you or that's causing you a lot of stress. Okay, with 10 of Water, this connection did make you happy at one point of time, but right now it's not. Okay, it's only more painful now, and the more you hold on to it, the more it's going to pain you, to be honest. Okay, so let's see one card for the overall energy that's going to be between Capricorn and their soulmate. One card, what's the overall energy going to be like between Capricorn and their soulmate? This reading can go vice versa, so take it accordingly. It's a general reading. Yeah, this connection is out of balance. To be honest with you, you both have a decision to make, and you guys are not sure what you need to do with this connection. Okay, but there is still fire for the for both of you. I mean, you both feel fire for each other. That is passion. Okay, with three of what, but the problem is someone could be interfering in this connection. That could be a third party involvement from either from your side or their side. Okay, with Queen of Air, you need to speak about it, darling. Whatever that needs to, you need to clear, you need to communicate clearly or openly. Okay, so one card for your partner's energy towards you, one card for your partner's energy towards you, Capricorn. What's Capricorn partner's energy towards them? Some of you definitely have a choice to make. Okay, so I see some of you have a choice to make between two people, or either work life or love life. The Moon card, your partner is keeping things hidden from you. They are not really expressing their feelings, neither they're telling you what's really happening in their life. They are being very secretive. Okay, this person is not someone who openly expresses their feelings. This person could also not really want this relationship or this connection to go official. They want things hidden. They are very fearful of this connection for some reason. Okay, with Eight of Fire, I do feel this person will communicate, but I do not see much being spoken or expressed. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you, one card for Capricorn's soulmates intentions towards Capricorn. Some of you might be connected with the Pisces or a Cancer. Six of Earth. Some of you with the with the Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. With Six of Earth, I do feel your person does want a equal give and take, but this person doesn't really act on what they truly wish to have with you. Okay, the problem is that this person does not really act on it. Okay, with Six of Earth, however, I feel like they want to balance things out with you. Let's see what action they are wanting to take towards you. One card for what action does Capricorn someone want to take towards Capricorn now. I see them wanting balance with you. Okay, no matter what the condition is of the connection, they want balance with you. With Wheel of Fortune, that's I do feel that like this person is wanting this relationship or this connection to move forward. They are very much wanting this connection to move forward, however or whatever condition it may be in. Whether they express it, do not express it, doesn't really matter. They really want this connection to move forward, and they might want to put in effort. Okay, I see this person wanting to put in effort. With Six of Earth, they want an equal give and take. They want a balanced connection. With Page of Fire, this person will communicate. If this person wasn't communicating, if there was lack of communication from their side, I do see communication coming in for most of you. Okay, yeah, Page of Fire here. In terms of what you can expect from this person now, one card for what can Capricorn possibly expect from their partner now, or soulmate. With Magician, this person will want to manifest this connection. I do see them at the very start. For the next few days, they might behave a lot secretive and fearful, not really like letting you know anything. And but I do feel it's that this your person will slowly initiate and take action and want to fix this connection. This person wants to fix this connection, and this person wants a equal give and take. Okay, with King of Earth, they might want to make things more stable between the two of you. Okay, with the Emperor card, yes, they want to take or be in control or take control of the connection now. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for Capricorn soulmates current feelings for Capricorn. With Chariot card, this person is wanting to make the move. They are wanting to move forward. They are wanting to start the conversation. They are wanting to take action towards you. Okay, so you can expect action from your person now. Okay, so if this person was friend zoning you or they had taken a break from you, then expect changes. You can expect a lot of changes. The Tower at the very start and the transformation card, that's the death card, that meant that you guys will go through a lot of changes, some of which is unwelcoming, but still. Okay, um, one card for how do they feel for you now? How do they truly feel for you? When they think of you when they miss you. How does the Capricorn soulmate truly feel for Capricorn? With 10 of water, this person does have feelings for you and a lot of it. Okay, this person might not be expressing it, but this person has lots of feelings for you. Okay, and you guys could expect some changes. July is going to be a good month for you. June wasn't for anyone, I believe. But July, I believe, is going to start well for you. June ending is starting well, so July will definitely start well. Okay, um, with the Empress card, you can expect changes, good changes, positive changes. Okay, this person wants to grow with you. Okay, even if they were holding back, I believe they had other distractions around them. Could be a third party. If it's not a third party, darling, then there was someone who was blocking them from making a move towards you. This could be an ex that they could not completely walk away from or move on from, or it could be their work life. They were too involved in involved in their work life. They felt like if they came towards you, they would distract themselves, and it would lead to problems. So they were totally focusing on their work life. So you could take it accordingly. Okay, or take whatever resonates, darling. So one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward? With Messenger of Earth, there will be action being taken from your person's side. This person will want to invest small, but there is going to be a start. Definitely big yes. Okay. With Queen of Fire, this person will take action. I can guarantee on this. Okay. With Seven of Fire, right now you might be behaving a lot defensive, like you have your walls around you, but it is what it is. Okay. So one card for what's the main blockage in the connection. One card for what's the main blockage in the connection. Blockage is you guys need to speak the truth. You guys are hiding from each other. You guys are not really really letting the other person know what you truly have and feel and want to say. You guys should communicate and communicate the truth, honest truth. Okay, if that makes sense. But with Queen of Air, you guys need to communicate, darling. Okay, so what are they possibly wanting from you now? What's the Capricorn so that possibly want from Capricorn now? The blockage could be this person was behaving very insensitive. They were not showing any empathy towards you, any feelings towards you. They were just behaving very casual and very practical, very formal, to be honest. Now some of you might be connecting with an air sign. It's always difficult dealing with an air sign. I'm one. But whatever. With seven of air, they want you to stop running away. I don't know if you're running away or you're ignoring them. They want you to stop running away. Okay. With Page of Earth, they want you to openly come in front of them now. Okay. With Three of Cups, they want a reunion. They definitely want a reunion. So yes, this was a reading for the sign of Capricorn. If this resonated with you, please be kind enough to hit the like button, darling. Subscribe, comment, and thank you for coming in. And I hope you have a great time ahead. Cheers, darling.